So, hello students. In the last video, I explained a 3 marks question in the chapter this matrix and determinants. Now, in this video, I have to send the 2 marks question, which are important, which are expected model as per the board syllabus. See here, the first question is always this model is very important. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij. Here this Aij means ith row, this jth column, whose elements are given by see this first one, Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. See here, we have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix Aij, whose elements are given by Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. That means in the 2 by 2 matrix means the elements are like this: A11, A12 and A21, A22. This is here A1 means here in the place of I and in the place of j, ith row jth column is 1 1, and again here I value is 1, j value is 2. These two elements will come, this first row will come, and for this second row, this in the place of 5, instead of 5 have to substitute 2 and j we have to 1, and again for this element we have to substitute I value equal to 2 and j value equal to 2, substitute in this given relation, then we will get the required elements for this 2 by 2 matrix. We have to substitute all the elements in this, then we will get the required this 2 by 2 matrix. See here. So here first solution. So this is given Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. So for this 2 by 2 matrix we have 4 elements. The first element is A11. I mean in the place of y value equal to 1 and in the place of j value equal to, substitute in this relation, then here we got 1 plus 1 divided by 2. This 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 value is 2. 2 square means 4. So 4 by 2 equal the value is 2. And A12 xl. So this next, instead of I value you have to take 1, instead of j value you have to take 2. Substitute in the relation, here we will get the value is 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. Here 2 plus 1 3, 3 square means the value is 9, 9 by 2. This is second element. So next element is here A21. This means here I value equal to 2 and j value equal to 1. Substitute in this relation, then we get 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Here also the value 2 plus 1 3, 3 square value 9 by 2. And next the last element is A22. Substitute I value equal to 2 and j value equal to 2. This value is 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square means 16. 16 by 2 equal the value is 8. Therefore, the required 2 by 2 matrix A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. That implies the matrix here is this A11 value is 2 and A12 value is 9 by 2. Here A21 value again 9 by 2 and A22 value is 8. This is the required 2 by 2 matrix. See this, the second problem is we have to consider same 2 by 2 matrix and whose elements are given here also. This Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So here also you have to consider 2 by 2 matrix, means here also this A11, A12 and A21, A22. Here instead of I you have to take 1 and j you have to take 1, we will get this element, and A12 also instead of I equal to 1, j equal to, we get the second element, and here also I value equal to 2 and j equal to 1, we get this element, and if I take I equal to 2 and j equal to, we get these elements. So we can solve this problem like that earlier problem. See here the solution is here also. So this is given relation. We have to find this first A11. Take I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Then here 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 2. Then here 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 square means the value is 9 divided by 2. Next A12. Here you have to take I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Substitute in this relation 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square divided by 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 and whole square, 5 square value is 25 divided by 2. This is next element is A21. If you take I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, here the value is 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 square value is 16 divided by 2 means the value equal to 8. This is next A22. Here you take I equal to and j equal to 2 plus 2 into 2 here whole square divided by 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 square value is 36 divided by 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 18s are cancelled, the value is 18. Here therefore the required 2 by 2 matrix is A equal to same. Here this first 9 by 2 and 25 by 2 and this 8 and 80. See the next numerical, find the matrix X. See, find the matrix X such that two A plus B plus X equal to 0, where A equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 5. So this is the given relation, and in this given relation the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. A value is minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and B matrix is 3 minus 2, 1, 5. Using this relation we have to find the matrix X here. See the solution here. So this is given 2a plus b plus x equal to 0. Here now you have to shift this a and b value that side, then x equal to this minus 2a, this minus b. So that implies already you know this minus 2 into A matrix already given. A matrix is here minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus the B matrix is 3 minus 2, 1, 5. See here, x equal to, multiply with the minus 2 for this matrix first. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 2, minus 2 into 2, this one minus 4, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, minus this matrix 3 minus 2, 1, 5. Now, see, difference between these two matrices between the corresponding elements. 2 minus 3, the value is minus 1, and minus 4, minus of minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2, the difference is minus 2, and minus 6 minus 1, the value is minus 7, and next minus 8 minus 5, both are minus 13. This is the required matrix A, X. See students, the next numerical, find the matrix X if the matrix Y equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and given relation 2x plus y equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So using this relation and this Y matrix, we have to find the X matrix. See here, in the solution, so given y equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and this given relation 2x plus y equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2, this is. See in this relation, from this relation, see this 2x is equal to, you shift y that side, it is become 1, 0, minus 3, 2 and minus y, and this 2 become the denominator of this 1 by 2 whole of this place. See here, this 2x equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2 minus y, then 1, 0, minus 3, 2 and minus y matrix is given here 3, 2, 1, 4. That implies here 2x equal to, so here the difference of these two matrix 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and 0 minus 2 is again minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1, the value is minus 4 and 2 minus 4, the value is minus 2. That implies x equal to, this 2 is become the scalar multiplication of this matrix and denominator, like this 1 by 2 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Now 1 by 2 is scalar value, it is multiply each and every element in the given matrix. Now 1 by 2 into minus 2, 2 cancel, the value is minus 1, and 1 by 2 into minus 2, 2 cancel, the value is here also minus 1, and minus 4 into 1 by 2, 2 times cancel, the value is minus 2, and minus 2 into again 1 by 2, 2 cancel, the value is minus 1. So you can express this value as taking this minus 1 common into, we get 1, 1, 2, 1 also. See students, this next numerical, simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Here this cos theta becomes the scalar multiplication of this matrix, and here also sin theta is scalar multiplication of this matrix. That means cos theta multiplies each and every element in this 2 by 2 matrix. Here also sin theta multiplies each and every element in this matrix. See here, solution. So this is given cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Now multiply this is cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta sin theta, this product. And next cos theta into minus sin theta, this is minus cos theta into sin theta, and cos theta into cos theta, this also cos square theta, plus next this value sin theta into sin theta, the product is sin square theta, and sin theta into minus cos theta, the value is minus sin theta into cos theta, and next sin theta into this cos theta, value is product is sin theta cos theta, and sin theta into sin theta, the value is sin square theta. Now add these two matrices corresponding elements, cos square theta, here sin square theta. Now this value is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and this product cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, and this value also minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, and cos square theta, this value is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here this value is, as per trigonometry identity, we know this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is well known trigonometry identity, this value equal to 1, and this here cos theta sin theta minus both are cancelled, here the value equal to 0, and here also minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, so also the both are equal value, one is positive, one is negative, and cancel, you get here the value is 0. Here again cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is known identity, the value equal to 1, so here the value is 0 1. So this 1 0 0 1 is 2 by 2 identity matrix. We can express this sum this value 1 0 0 1 or equal to I. So this is the next numerical. Find x if this 4x plus 2, 2x minus 3, x plus 1 is a symmetric matrix. So here, see here, symmetric matrix means if A is any matrix, then if A equal to A transpose, then A is called the symmetric matrix. So using this principle here, we have to find this x value. Here solution. See, let A equal to 4x plus 2, 2x minus x plus 1, and A transpose. So A transpose, just interchange the rows and column here. Interchange the rows and column for this matrix is 4, 2x minus 3, and x plus 2 as x plus 1. So given that this matrix is a symmetric matrix, so A is a symmetric matrix if A is symmetric, then A equal to A transpose. So that implies A equal to A matrix is 4 x plus 2, 2x minus 3, x plus 1, and this A transpose is 4 2x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to x plus 1. And these two matrices are equal matrices. We have to compare the corresponding elements on both sides. Here 4 is constant, okay, no problem. We have to compare here any of this where the variable is there in these three elements. Then we will get the required x value. So we have to corresponding this value and this value. This element equal to this element. Then x plus 2 or the value 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Shift this x value this side. This x become minus x, then 2x minus x is x, and minus 3 shift, that's why minus 3 become plus 3. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. See, the next numerical, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? See, matrix have 24 elements. What are the possible order? If order of any matrix is, you have to take m rows and n columns. This is order is generally we said m by n, order of any matrix. Here 24 elements are there, means the total elements. See here, this solution. Here given number of elements equal to 24. Here see the 24 factors. Suppose we have to observe the 24 factors is 24, 24 into 1 and 1 into 24. Next 2 into 12 or 12 into 2, 24. Next 4 into 6, 6 into 4, and next 3 into 8 and 8 into 3. So these are the factors of 24. We can arrange, or we have to find the order of these 24 elements is the possible orders is 1 by 24, next 24 by 1, next 2 by 12, 12 by 2, and 3 by 8, 8 by 3, 4 by 6 and 6 by 4. These are the possible orders for 24 elements. Here next one more is, what if it has 13 elements? Here 13 elements means here generally, here 13 means, here what is the, factors of this 13, we have to write 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. Here if it has the 13 elements, the possible orders is 1 by 13, 13 by 1. This is the required solution. See students, next numerical, construct 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus 2. So using this relation you have to construct this 3 by 4 matrix. See, generally 3 by 4 matrix means 3 rows and 4 columns are there. That means, see here the solution first. So solution this first. This given Aij equal to 1 by 2 minus 3. Here let you take A is 3 by 4 matrix. So this matrix contain the elements like A11, A12, A13, A14 and A21, A22, A23, A24 and A31, A32, A33 and A34. Here in this given relation, instead of I and j, we have to substitute this the corresponding ith row and jth column values. Instead of, suppose first element I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, then here you will get this A11 element, and next if you substitute this I equal to 1 and j equal to, we get this second element. Like this you have to substitute the I value and j value in this given relation, then we will get this A 3 by 4 matrix. See, now we have to substitute the I value and j value here in this given relation. We will get the required elements for the required matrix. See here, first element is A11. Here in this, here minus 3 into, instead of I value is 1 plus, instead of j is 1. Here minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 value is minus 2, and here 1 by 2. Due to this modulus, minus value become plus value, and this value is become 2 value. This 2 gets cancelled, the value is 1. Next, A12. Take I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Here 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus j value is 2. Here minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means the value is minus 1. Due to this modulus, the value become plus 1. That means this 1 by 2 into the 1, that is equal to the value is 1 by 2. Next element is A13. Here you take I equal to 1 and j equal to 3. Next, this value is minus 3 into 1 plus, here the value is here j value is 3. Then minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 value is 0. So modulus of this value 0 means 0 only. 0 into 1 by 2, the value is 0. Next, A21. Here also you take I equal to, here see, one more element is there. That element is A14. I equal to 1, j equal to 4. Here minus 3 into 1 plus 4. Here minus 3 into 1, minus 3 ones are minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 means the value is 1. So 4 minus 3 value is plus 1. So, and modulus plus 1 only. 1 into 1 by 2, the value is 1 by 2. Next element is A21. So 1 by 2, here minus 3 into I value is 2 and j value is 1. Then here the value minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is the value is minus 5. Due to modulus, minus 5 become plus 5. 5 into 1 by 2, value is here 1 by 2. And next is A22. Here I equal to 2 and j equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 2, the value is minus 4. Due to this modulus, minus become plus 4. 4 divided by 2 means the value is 2. And see. Next, this A23, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 into I value is 2 and j value is 3. Here this value 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 means the value is minus 3. Due to this modulus, the value is become plus 3. So 3 into 1 by 2, the value is 3 by 2. Next element is A24. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I value is 2 and j value is 4. Here minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Due to this modulus, minus 2 become plus 2. 2 into 1 by 2, that means the value is 2 by 2, the value equal to 1. Next, A31. So 1 by 2 into, here the value is minus 3 into I value is 3 and J value is 1. See here, this value here minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus 9 plus 1 is value is minus 8. Due to modulus minus 8 become plus 8. 8 into 1 by 2, the 8 by 2 value is 8 by 2, the value equal to 4. Next A 3 2 is this value minus 3 into 3 plus J value is 2. 3 3 are 9. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Due to modulus minus gone to 7 only. 7 into 1 by 2 value is 7 by 2. This value. And this A 3 3 is 1 by 2 into minus 3 into this 3 plus J value is also 3 is 3 3 are minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 value is minus 6, and because of modulus minus become plus. This now 6 into 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 1 jar 2, 3 jar cancel, that is 3 times cancel, the value is 3. Next A 3 4. So the value is minus 3 into 3 plus J value is 4. Here minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 value is minus 5, and due to this modulus minus 5 become plus 5. 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So these are the required elements in the 3 by 5 matrix. Now see here, first this A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, A1 by 3 is 0, A14 is 1 by 2. Next A21 is 5 by 2, A22 is 2, A23 is 3 by 2, A24 is 1. Next A31 is 4, A32 7 by 2, A33 3, A34 5 by 2. This is the required 3 by 4 matrix using the relation.